deep inside, these limiting beliefs are buried. To face them, to get to know them, to realize that there are things that I need to work on, something needs to happen. Either these limiting beliefs are going to come up to the surface somehow, or my world will get into that chaos and there's going to be some sort of disruption through which I will reach innovation. And this is the reason why people tell you that the universe is testing you, that you're so close to your desires, your manifestations. If you experience the opposite of your manifestations, like if you're trying to manifest a car and then your car breaks down, if you're trying to manifest an SP and then you break up with your partner, they tell you universe is testing you. The universe doesn't give a shit about you because it doesn't even have an awareness. I'm sorry. It's not real. Yes, this thing happens. I'm not saying there is no test, if you want to call it test. It happens because you need to become aware of this feeling somehow, aware of this limiting belief that is buried deep inside. It should come up to the surface so that you can finally face it. You have to have this moment, I found it now. This was the reason. This is why all that stuff is happening. Nobody's testing you. It's only you doing some work, or maybe not even doing some work, facing your deep buried limiting beliefs. That's all. This is only the beginning. I always thought when I face my limiting beliefs and when I remove them, I will get what I want. Yes, but how do you remove them? Like, do you think when you work on it for a week or a month, you're gonna remove? Nope. Sorry. It's not gonna be removed. Here's the deal. And this is very important. That's the core of it. What I want to tell you today. It's not a destination. It's a process. You keep doing. It's like unlocking these doors constantly. It closes and then you unlock again, and every day you wake up, unlock the same doors, trying to reach to that limitless potential of yours. That's pure love. You are whole and you are pure love and limitless potential in that very moment already. You don't need the car, the partner, the house, the job, anything. There is no separation. It's true. It's already inside. You already have it. Why don't you see it then? Because we build these blockages against it. And these blockages, like these doors that we unlock, these are our limiting beliefs. And every time we unlock and place the positive, empowering belief instead, which is pure love, limitless potential, I have everything I want, I'm worthy, I'm loved, then the shift starts happening because you are one with it. You don't need anything. You're not trying to manifest. You're not trying to get. It's a matter of consciousness. It's a matter of reaching love. If you look at Rumi, he had talked about this pure love that you have and all the blockages that you've built against it. And to find that limitless potential in you, to find everything you want in this life within you, you need to remove those blockages because there is no separation. You already have it. It starts and ends within. As within, so without. The shift will begin inside out. It's only about you and you only.